Hey there, Java developers. Welcome back to GLO TECH. Today, I'm super excited to dive into Java characters and strings with you. These are two fundamental data types you need to master for text manipulation in Java. Let's jump right in. First up, Java characters or char. The char data type stores a single character and has to be enclosed in single quotes. Let's see an example. Java char myGrade =B, System.out.println myGrade. And the output, it's just B. But wait, there's more. You can also use ASCII values to represent characters. Java char myvar1 = 65, myvar2 = 66, myvar3 = 67, System.out.println myvar1, System.out.println myvar2, System.out.println myvar3. This prints ABC, cool, right? If you want to dive deeper into ASCII values, check out our ASCII table reference. Now let's talk about strings. The string data type stores a sequence of characters and is enclosed in double quotes. Here's an example. Java string greeting =hello world, System.out.println greeting. And the output is hello world. Easy. So why are strings special? Unlike primitive types like int or char, strings are non-primitive data types. They refer to objects and come with built-in methods to manipulate text. They're so essential in Java that they're often called the special ninth type. Don't worry if you're not familiar with objects yet, we'll cover them in upcoming tutorials. Alright, let's quickly touch on the key differences between primitive and non-primitive types. Primitive types like int, char, and boolean are built into Java and store values directly. Non-primitive types like string, arrays, and classes are created by programmers and refer to objects. Primitive types start with lowercase letters, while non-primitive types start with uppercase. And there you have it, folks. Keep an eye out for future lessons where we'll explore non-primitive types like arrays and classes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.